A certified pre-owned program allows you to separate yourself from your competitors, but it will also allow you to get the properties sold quicker, which are going to get you better results. And so here's why you're going to sell more properties by offering a certified pre-owned program. The certified pre-owned program, it attracts more realistic sellers, it attracts more buyers, and more real estate agents to your listings, as well as it adds certainty to the transaction. And what I want you to pay attention to is the certainty to the transaction. Are transactions usually full of certainty? What is it full of? Uncertainty. And when you have uncertainty, what else do you have? Emotions, right? Negative emotions. When there's uncertainty, you have fear, doubt, right? You have these emotions. And what we want to do is we want to eliminate these emotions, because is it hard to negotiate when both people are so emotional? Right? When somebody's emotional, do they tell themselves a story that is like 10 times worse than it actually is? And so let's just add more certainty to the transaction. And then what we're going to do is it'll allow us to position the listing, but we're also going to use it to make our listing appointment stronger. This is why you need to hire me to market and sell your property. This is why I sell 5 times as many homes as the average agent you're going to talk to. This is why I get results, because we offer a certified pre-owned program. Nobody else in our market does it. Why did my home not sell? Was your home certified? No, it wasn't. That's why the home didn't sell. Well, what's a certified pre-owned home? You don't know what a certified pre-owned home program is? No. Well, listen. First off, we need to make sure your house qualifies for the program. Is that a great way to use to set appointments? That's why you need solutions, because now the value proposition changes. In fact, homes that are certified sell for 4.65% more money in 28 days faster than the MLS average, Mr. Seller. I don't take listings that aren't certified. Some of you guys down here don't take listings that aren't certified. Why would you? How to maximize the certified pre-owned program. Current listings. Go to your current listings that aren't selling. Think differently. Think outside the box. Y'all, people don't think like this in your markets. If you come back to your marketplace and you start implementing these things, and a lot of you already have, I know in the VIP section, because you're in our coaching, we do these things for you and help you do it. But listen, it's game over, and that's what our job is to help you position yourself to be game over. Because that's my ultimate goal, and that's the only reason I even do what I do. So help you guys kick your competition's butts